Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your Google Chrome app is crashing on your Android smartphone. So if it keeps crashing, maybe it's hanging or freezing on different web pages on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel smartphone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then go down and select the apps tile and select where it says see all apps. Select the Chrome app on this list and then select where it says storage and cache. First thing you want to do is select clear the cache and then relaunch the Chrome app, see if everything's working as it should. If not, you can come back in here and then clear the storage instead, which will clear the Google Chrome storage on your device. You can free up space by clicking on free up space, and you can also clear all data too. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.